Sam's patient has an Sam knows what to do. Sam puts on a mask and enters the room. Sam? Sam performs hand hygiene. Sam secures her mask either with ties or by placing elastic ear loops around her ears. She fits the flexible band to her nose bridge, making sure it is snug to her face and below her chin. Sam knows her front of her mask is contaminated. Sam performs hand hygiene. Instead of touching the mask, she grasps the ties or elastics of the mask, carefully removing the mask without touching the front. Sam discards the mask in the waste container. Sam performs hand hygiene. Great job, Sam.